Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something new and I am building in public using Firebase for the first time to deploy my Linktree clone app that I created for my podcast. So let's try it out. So I heard Firebase is really good because you can use it in the terminal to easily deploy your app. I'm going to start by pressing create a project here, and the name of my project will be link in bio. And sell my life away. Let's do it. Google Analytics. Oh yeah, this is also why it's really good. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is go to the command line. So open up a terminal. And then in order to use Firebase, I have to install it, which can be done using npm, which is Node Package Manager. So npm install global flag Firebase-tools. Let's see if that goes. Nice. Alright, so next up I'm going to sign in to Firebase through the command line. So Firebase login. Had a typo. Firebase login. Alright, then it's asking me if I want to submit error information. I'm just going to press no. Cool, now I am successfully signed in. Let's see. Nice, success. Now I'm going to go to the directory where my project lives. The next one I'm going to do is type in Firebase init to initialize Firebase inside of my my project. To see which Firebase features do you want to set up for this directory. I think I want something really basic. Hosting. Set up GitHub action deploys. I'm pretty sure I want hosting. There's two hostings here. Configure files for Firebase hosting optionally. Set up GitHub action deploys. Let me look into this real quick. So I think I typed in the wrong command here. So Control C, Firebase init hosting. And use existing project. In my link in bio project here, let's enter hosting setup. Your public directory is in the folder relative to the project that will contain hosting assets to be uploaded with Firebase deploy. If you have a build process for your assets, use your build's output directory. What do you want to use as your public directory? So I think what this question is essentially asking is, do I want to, like, where do I want to host, or where do I want to put my local build? So I'm just going to type in public configure as a single page app. rewrite all URLs to index.html. Yeah. Set up automatic builds and deploys with GitHub. Yes. Oh, so now I'm assigned to GitHub. Alright, and we good. Alright, so let's go and see what's next. For which GitHub repository would you like to set up a GitHub workflow? User/repository. Okay. So yeah, let's go to my GitHub and find the repo. Here before. This guy and copy it. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna just put no. I feel like that's gonna take a long time. Or a longer time. I'm gonna build script before I read. Yeah, let's put no. Creating workflow file. Set up automatic deployment to your site's live channel when the PR is merged. Yes. What's the name of the GitHub branch associated with your site's live channel? I'm pretty sure it's main. Yeah. Main. Can't see. Main. Action required. Visit the URL to revoke author. Push any new workflow files to your repo. Writing configuration info to firebase.json writing project information. Let's see. Alright, yeah, that's proper permission. Alright, looks like we're good. Alright, so yeah, in the public we have the index.html. So that's where our local build is. I think next what I want to do is test it out locally first before deploying it to Firebase. So I'm going to do Firebase serve and see what happens. Okay, serving on localhost 5000 port. Welcome to Firebase Hosting setup complete. You're seeing this because you successfully set up Firebase Hosting. Yay! Now it's time to go build something extraordinary. Open hosting documentation. Alright, here's a bunch of docs. Alright, so I took some time to replace the index.html inside the public folder with my actual index.html for my project. And if I go back to the page with the local host, you can see that it's loaded, but it's really broken. Oh man, yeah, so I have, probably because I moved it into the public folder. Some refactoring probably went wrong. But yeah, let me go fix that real quick. Woo! Finally got it, y'all. It took a little bit, took a while. But what I had to do was basically move all of my files into the public folder, and then it could properly read my files. Yay! Okay, let's try deploying it now. Let's see. see. I want a new terminal. Or actually, let's just cut this guy. Be easier that way. Okay, and then now I'm gonna do Firebase deploy. Alright, and let's see. Copy and paste the link. And here we are! Wow, that was so fast and easy. This is so cool. Wow, so you can just take my URL and put it anywhere. The links are working. My Twitter. Oh, that's not the proper link right there. That should be my Facebook group link. Let's see. Request a meditation. Yay! Send a love letter. You can email me. Yay! Awesome! Oh, these bad boys are not working. Uh-oh, gotta fix those. How about the share button? Copy text to clipboard. Yeah, you can share the link. How about support us? Coffee! And Cash App! Yay! Cool! Oh my gosh, thanks for joining me. My link in bio is live! Yay!